Okay, for this tutorial, we're going to look at embedding that document in our home page. So first thing we want to do is we want to find the home page. If we don't have the home page assigned, let's look at that as well. So what I'm going to do is jump to the Pages tab here in my course. And once I'm in here, you can see that I'm on the front page, that it's published, everything's looking good. We're going to get back to this and edit in just a second, but I'm going to go to View All Pages. And here is where you can see which page has been assigned the front page. So let's say I wanted this one, I could actually use that as the front page. I'm not going to do that. This is the welcome page, is the one that I want. So I'm just going to navigate to that. And once I have that as the front page, set as the front page, I'm going to go ahead and go to Edit. One of the guidelines is that we want to adjust this font size, so we're just going to click on that, click, and we want it to be at least 36. Okay, so we're going to adjust that. And then the second part of that, I'm going to go into this HTML editor, and when I click on HTML, you can see everything that's going on. When we click back to our rich content editor, we're going to see everything as it would appear. For those of you who know HTML, you can have a lot of fun going into that HTML editor and working on some things. But right here, let's just say I'm going to embed this. I'll actually embed this before my course organization. So I'm going to hit enter and I'm going to leave my cursor there. I'm going to jump to that HTML. And if I can find where it was at. So right here, I've added this paragraph point that I just added. So this is the end of that. And then here's my course organization. So right here, I'm going to click and I'm just going to add a line right in between that. Now there's a reason I hit enter and wanted to create that so that I would end up with this. This is just a blank line, and that's going to give me a good guide of where I need to go. So I click on that. I'm going to go to Weaver Online here into our course guide, and I'm going to select this iframe, all of this HTML code. So I go ahead and just copy, and I'm going to jump back into this and I'm going to paste that. Now, once you've done that, you just jump back to your rich content editor and you're going to see that that has now been embedded into the document where we want it. And these are links that will function and everything inside there. So again, all you're going to do is jump back and forth between this HTML editor. When I hit save, that is now going to be embedded in my home page. And you can go and fine tune and tweak the size of that and some things there. You'll also see that this is our quarter progress bar that we're going to end up embedding later on. So that is how you work with and embed that on your front page or home page.